Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and so let's begin. So what I'm going to do is rewrite. So I have the integral. I'm going to say I have cosine parentheses x times cosine parentheses x dx. And then I'm going to use integration by parts. So u is equal to cosine parentheses x, and dv is equal to cosine parentheses x dx. And then our du will equal negative sine parentheses x dx, and our v, so the integral of cosine x would give us sine x. At this point, we're going to write the integration by parts formula. So the integral u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral v du. Now I'm going to need a little bit more space. So u is cosine x. So at this point, all I'm doing is replacing to the formula, times v is sine x, minus the integral v is sine x times du is negative sine x dx. And so we can simplify it. We're going to get cosine parentheses x times sine parentheses x. A negative times a negative is a positive, so plus the integral sine squared x dx. Now I'm going to replace sine squared x with its equivalent. So we can say instead the integral parentheses 1 minus cosine squared parentheses x dx, because sine squared x is equal to this. Now this piece we're still keeping. At this point I'm going to rewrite and we will see something special. So I'm going to keep this piece. So what we're finding is the integral of cosine squared parentheses x dx is equal to, this piece stays, so cosine parentheses x times sine parentheses x. And this piece I replace with this. But I'm going to further break this down. So I could say I have plus the integral 1 dx plus the integral of negative cosine squared x dx. And so we can put our minus sign. So we'll say minus cosine squared x dx. Now we see something special. Right here is cosine squared x dx. Here is also negative cosine squared x dx. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to bring it to the left. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this piece on both sides. So essentially I'm going to say plus the integral cosine squared x dx. I'm putting it here and here. So the integral cosine squared parentheses x dx. And as a result we have 2, the integral cosine squared parentheses x dx is equal to this stuff. So we have cosine x times sine x. And the integral of 1 is just going to give us a plus x. Now, we are trying to solve this piece. We're trying to solve the integral of cosine squared x dx, not 2 times. So what I need to do next is just divide by 2. And so what we're going to get is the integral of cosine squared x dx is equal to 1/2 cosine x times sine x plus 1/2 x plus c. And this right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.